Every year, I make predictions on what's going to happen in terms of marketing this year, what's going to happen in our online space this year, what's going to happen just in the world in general. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong, but we always have a lot of fun with these, and you guys always seem to really like them. So let's do it. Got a list here of about 6 predictions. So number 1, you're going to need to start acknowledging the recession, inflation, all of that, like what's going on in the world in your online marketing. And so what I have found works really well, because again, I successfully navigated my business through COVID era when everybody was freaking out. Obviously, a lot of my mentors have been through a billion recessions. And the key is talk about it, and talk about it and frame it in such a way that you point out the opportunities rather than the things to be worried about. One of the things that was very true was that everybody was moving in the online space. So now is a really good time to start an online business. If you say you were a massage therapist that pivoted to online tutorials on self-massages, for example, it's a real scenario. One of my clients did that, and she got online a hell of a lot faster than her competitors did, and she was extremely successful. That was her first 6-figure year. So if you don't start acknowledging the recession and inflation in your marketing and finding ways for it to be an opportunity for your people, you're gonna struggle to sell. That's just how it's gonna be. That's my prediction. 2, YouTube Shorts are gonna blow up. So I really believe that YouTube is coming for TikTok and Instagram, and I think they're gonna be really, really successful. Here's why. Anything that YouTube does works really well, and YouTube is not the kind of platform, if you look at it, they don't make random feature changes quickly. They're intentional with anything they add. There's a lot of people right now that are interested in short form content, and YouTube is at heart a video platform. So there's a lot of data that goes into this. There's a lot of things I've been researching, but the long and short of it is YouTube is coming for TikTok, and I think they're gonna be really, really successful. So if you are creating YouTube Shorts, it's something to consider. Now, in the video that I do want to link to, that if you haven't watched, I want you to watch it, I talk about how to know which platforms you should be putting your energy on. So don't jump into YouTube Shorts in 2023 because I said I think you're gonna get a lot of views. I do, I think you're gonna get a lot of organic views, but that's not the only thing to consider. If people aren't on YouTube, for example, don't be creating content on YouTube. But just be aware that YouTube is coming for TikTok and it is coming for Instagram Reels, and I think it's gonna be really successful. Third thing, there's gonna be more opportunity than ever, especially if you're in the online space. And I've predicted this for years. Every year I predict it, and every year it becomes more and more true. But here's what I want you to know. If you have not started or committed to your successful business, it's a really good time to do it, because there's never been a bigger opportunity. People are beyond sick at this point of their jobs. They're tired of 2% raises that aren't keeping up with inflation, if they even get 2% raises. They want to be in control of their income. And if you in some way, shape, or form help people increase their income, you're going to be very successful. So there's more opportunity than ever before. So if in 2020 you tried to start a business and it wasn't successful, or 2021 you tried to get your business off the ground, it wasn't successful, or 2022 you kept trying and it wasn't successful, I really have a good feeling about 2023. But the caveat is you have to do something different. If you've been trying for a couple of years and it's just not successful, like, first of all, come join my coaching program, get clients now, because you'll be successful very quickly. But in some way, shape, or form, you need to do something different. Next thing, number 4, timing the market's gonna be really, really important. So what do I mean by that? I mean that it's similar to how it was in 2020. If you say nobody's buying right now because of the recession, that's gonna be true for you. If you say nobody's buying right now because of inflation, that will be true for you. If you say this is the year that things are going to change because people are ready now more than ever to have freedom that they're looking for, that will be true for you. One of the things that I believe, this is just something that I've been privately doing in my business forever, is like, okay, but let's say that sales are hypothetically 20% harder because of COVID. People are worried about COVID. I just tell myself I'm gonna work 20% harder. I tell myself I will not let what's going on in the world dictate my revenue. And I have had, since 2020, 100K months. Every month, cash collected for 3 years. Do you know the dips we've ridden over that period? We've seen elections, right? We've seen elections. Yeah, we've seen elections. We've seen a lot of things go on in America. We've seen COVID. We've seen the war in the Ukraine, global unrest. We've seen civil unrest, inflation, a recession, the housing market doing whatever the hell it's doing, the stock market doing whatever the hell it's doing, FTX and Bitcoin doing whatever the hell it's doing. And meanwhile, I'm not letting the economy dictate my reality at all. I want you to feel a piece of that. I want you to feel in control of your income. And this comes down to, okay, it's the beginning of the year. Some things I can't control. In some ways, I've been dealt a shitty hand, but what of all of this equation can I control, right? Of course, there's horrible things that happen to me. I'm in control of what I make. Hi, good boy. You want some attention and love from your mommy? You're gonna get lots of treats in 2023? Yes, you are. Mommy will buy you, oh, thank you for paw. Thank you. You gonna come up here? I don't know that we both fit. Yeah. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you for my love. Oh, I love you too. I love you too. Okay, we gotta put you down now because I gotta say more things. So I predicted this last year and it holds true again this year as well, which is niching down is gonna be really important for new business owners. So if you're established, you don't need to have a really tight niche, but the thing is, there's a lot of people in the online space right now. There's a lot of people running online businesses. And if I'm a social media manager, you're not gonna do as well as somebody who says something like, I am an Instagram lead generation specialist. So I help you generate leads on Instagram. That person is gonna make a lot more money than the person who says, I'm a social media manager. And the reason for it is people hire specialists, they don't hire generalists. So if you have somebody who's operating on your heart, you want to work with the person who has been operating on hearts, not the person who's just a general doctor, right? All right, so this last one is really important and I want you to listen up and pay attention. If you don't fully commit to your business in 2023, you're gonna quit. This will be a year that's gonna make or break you. Because there's no lie, 2023 is gonna have its challenges for business owners. If you aren't all in on your business, as a business, not a hobby, you're gonna get pushed out. Do you really want this? And how committed are you going to be? Because I really do believe that 2023 is gonna be a year with lots of ups and downs, and those who can't be fully in are gonna be pushed out. So what you probably need to do is get support. What you probably need to do is get a mentor. What you probably need is a community. What you probably need is a consistent cash flow, because let's be real, it's pretty damn hard to quit in something that's making you great money every single month. Clear your head and get laser focused on your business. Don't quit. It's gonna be a big year for you. Get your head in the game, take some actions that you need to take, invest where you need to invest. Let's put our big girl pants on and let's make something really amazing in 2023. So thank you so much for being here and I'll see you in the next one.